Welcome to the Digital Artist Illustrator. Today we are going to learn color transition. How to do color transition in Illustrator. These are steps. Select your square like this. Duplicate this square by pressing Alt. Click Alt. Like that. Give it different color of your choice. Mine is green, so I'm going to create color transition between this, like this. Select both like this. Go to object, bleed. Now we are going to start to bleed option to set our option like this. Go to set the specified steps, number of steps you want your bleed to have. Let me say I want to have 7 steps. Say OK. Then you go to object, again bleed. Here you go to make. Now these are color transition. These are 7 steps. 7 steps is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These steps between yellow and dark green. These are 7 steps we have applied. Now if you want to ungroup this color transition, you go to object, you go to bleed, expand. First expand like that, then you right click to go to ungroup, then double click one, you can isolate like this. You have ungrouped. Now these are color transition. Yeah, that is how we do color transition. This principle, you can use this principle to create tone scale. Tone scale were used by artists like this. Let me bring here rectangle here, color. Let me give it color like that one, like that one. I'm going to create tone scale here. For example, tone scale. How to do tone scale? Tone scale like this. Alt. Give it color black. I'm going to create this tone scale. Select this and this. Go to bleed. Go to bleed option. Bleed option. I set it to 4. Like this. Like this. Then you go to bleed option. We have set it to 4. Yes. Okay. Then you go to bleed, make bleed. These are, we call it tone scale. You are seeing gradual. Ungroup it. You go to object, bleed, expand first. Then you right click to ungroup it. Then you can ungroup your color transition like this. You can use that sample colors. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.